Friends, couple of more experiences, sir. Once I got the mastery over the emotions, that is called Arihant level. Once I reached the Arihant, mastering our own anger, frustration, irritation, jealousy, all those emotions. Once we mastered those things, that is called Arihant level. Okay. So I'll share about that one experience after 1 minute meditation, friends. Just let us meditate with the Arihant quality. Three, two, one. Zero. Very good, friends. So, my mom passed away. So she vacated her body in 2011. At the time, one question, one shloka, Bhagavad Gita shloka, my brother told, that is, Gata soon, agata soon, na shochayanti panditaha. Gata soon means those who are left from the physical world, those who vacated their body. Agata soon, those who haven't vacated their body, those who are living, basically. For these two people, na shochayanti panditaha, the wise people doesn't feel bad about these two people. So how many of you are like this, friends? Type it. Any one of you achieved this state? Yes. Because humans, as humans, if animal, we are good about, any animals are there in the TV or everything is, we are happy with the animals. We are happy with the trees or animal. But sometimes we are not happy with the humans only. Especially the humans who are nearby us, our family members or our friends, our enemies. Sometimes, right? Very good. I really appreciate that some response. I see the response that not feeling bad, not feeling not getting hurt from the people. For the people who haven't vacated the body, who vacated the body. Okay, that's amazing wisdom by Krishna. That's a death wisdom. That's half part of the death wisdom is we are not having grief or sadness or hurt towards the people who vacated their body. Instead of, because we say no death, right? Death is not there. It's like going from earth to other planes only. That one I experienced. With my experience, I'm sharing. Okay. So we are not sad about them, and also we are not sad about our own death, our own vacating the physical body. Very good, wonderful. So two parts. Okay, not feeling sad for the others and not afraid of our own transition. It comes with the wisdom, when we are doing meditation, and I learned it from my wisdom. So I am sharing. So you look into my eyes and get the wisdom. If you haven't experienced, that's how it works. I'm not talking from the books, I'm telling from my experience. It has a whole different level. So once in 2002, in 2003, my dad passed away, vacated his body. But before he vacated, I was praying to God that please make my dad healthy, because he was suffering from health issue. Then in my life, I prayed for the first time very, very intensely, very, so much. The one desire I was asking God from my childhood onwards. Did I ask any desires? This is the first time I am asking the desire. Boon, I need that. Vardhan, boon, grant me that. Then what happened is my dad's physical body, he vacated. But what happened in his consciousness is connected to me. He got connected to my consciousness in my dreams. Then onwards, for the next 6 years, I was every time in my dreams, almost once in a week or 2-3 days in a week, he used to come, and I was initially, oh, my dad got all healing happened, and he's coming and talking with me. Initially, it's good, but afterwards, because of my intense desire, or maybe what happened, he doesn't go anywhere. He doesn't have any work. He got into my own world, my own dream world, where he got associated. He is also getting like irritation, and probably those are my irritations only reflected through him, because some binding happened, right? With my intense desire, some binding happened. He's also not able to go to acid. And so he's also expressing some irritations and everything. Then I got detachment. Okay. I learned few things. Then finally, once I learned, everything got settled. I also got Arihant, mastery over all of my emotions. Of course, it's a journey. Okay. So asking, that means if you're having attachment towards anyone's physical body or everything, are we supporting, or are we sometimes binding them? We just need to check that.